Another beautiful vehicle. Value priced thousands below the market value. Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Cadillac SRX Premium. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.
Please call Dan at 609-877-5500.